Hi, I'm Matt Salmon. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at SALMON Health Retirement. We're a third-generation continuing care retirement community located in 6 different locations in central Massachusetts under the businesses of Whitney Place, The Willows, in Beaumont. We are a third-generation family business that started in 1952 by my grandparents, both of whom were nurses. The business was then transferred to my parents, who were at the time both nurses. The business started with 27 residents in Northborough, Massachusetts, and it has grown from then to about 1,000 residents that we care for on any given day, now in our third generation. We started the idea of using a family business consultant probably 5 or 6 years ago. I found transition consulting through the Northeastern Center for Family Business and found a nice balance, especially with my parents, with Paul Karofsky having a very good understanding of who my parents were, what their interests are, and more importantly, I think, the experiences they were going through. At the time we engaged transition consulting, our family and family business was in a period of transition. We had my parents, who my mother had been out of the daily operations of the business for a number of years, and my father was retiring. We have an outside CEO, and we have 3 of the 4 children in my generation working in the family business. At the time my father left, we had no established plan for a transition of leadership or transition of ownership. In transition consulting was instrumental in helping us be strategic in outlining both the ownership transition and the leadership transition. I think in looking back on it, it was the greatest value, I think, was in the personal relationships that we have with each other now as family members. One of the things that we were having a very difficult time, in hindsight, you look back and see it, what we were struggling with identifying who we were and what our roles were in the family business. And David and Paul did a great job of getting us to understand how we relate to each other and how we relate to the family business. The other piece was the governance and leadership. Through their consulting and their advice, we were able to come up with a very strong and well thought out plan for transition of the leadership, which I don't think would have happened if our family was left to our own devices. We're certainly are very appreciative of the work that transition consulting has done.